everyone, for today we are going to learn about tournament or elimination. Tournament or elimination is a series of contests by a number of competitors who compete for an overall prize. A system for elimination must be decided according to different games or sports that will be held during the tournament. The different ways of elimination are single, double, and round robin. What is a single elimination? In single elimination, there are separate matches for two individuals or teams. Only the winner in each match will have the chance to compete with another until only one individual or team remains standing in the game. This is a type of elimination that determines the winner by eliminating the loser in every match until there is one team left. And this is also the easiest or the fastest way to declare a winner. Let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of single elimination. For the advantages, first, this one is best used when the number of entries is large or when the time is short, when the number of playing venue also is limited, and the participants understand them easily, and this one are the simplest tournaments to conduct, and they are useful in determining a champion for a preliminary tournaments such as round robin. They determine the champion in the shortest time compared with other tournaments, and they can be conducted with limited facilities. They can accommodate a large number of entries, and also they are interesting for spectators. They are the most appropriate for one-day event, and they are economical to conduct. For disadvantages or not best used, they involve minimum participation. They place maximum emphasis on winning. The champion may not represent the best team or player, and this also applies to the second place finisher because entries in the other half of the bracket may be better. When they do not allow for an off day, competition may become too intense because the entry must win every contest or face elimination. Outdoor sport programs, with their potential for weather-related postponements, cause scheduling problems because contests must be played sequentially. They provide the least flexibility for the participant. For solving this elimination, we have to follow this formula. G equals n minus 1. G is the number of games and n is the number of entries. Let's try solving using this formula. Okay, writing the formula first. For example, okay, our G is the total number of games. We are going to have 8 teams. Okay, 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Okay, we have 7 games. Okay, let's write the teams first. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, now we have 8 teams. Okay, let's start the first group of games. We have game 1, game 2, game 3, and game 4. Okay, take note of the number of our games. So in every game, we have to draw a line that indicates the winner. So in game 1, we should write winner 1. Game 2, we should write winner 2. Okay, so the last one we have game 4, so we need to have a next game, that's game 5, right? So next, write your winner, winner 3, winner 4, and the last game we have is game 5, so we have to proceed to game 6. Okay, now we have to proceed to our last game, which is the game 7, winner 5, and winner 6. Take note that we write the number of winners based on the game number. So winner 5 from game 5. Okay, winner 6 from game 6. So that's our game 7. Okay, now what is this what we call bye? Bye entitles a team to advance to the next round without playing, able to play during second round. There is a bye if the number of teams do not belong to the number power of 2. Okay, we have here the formula in solving the bye. Okay, least power of 2 higher than n. The number of entries is the n. Okay. How to solve it? There are 6 participating teams. So 6 minus 1 equals 5. We have 5 here, so it means we have 5 games. Okay. In solving the bye, 8 minus 6. So the bye is 2.
Paano natin nabuo ang 8? Okay? Kumbaga, na dapat sagapin natin ang least power of 2 na mas taas sa atin na number of teams. Okay, so 6, mas taas sa 6 ang 8, diba? Kita nyo ang 8. So it means, bila natin to ang 8 para i-minus natin sa number of teams natin para mabuo natin ang bye.
Okay, our step 1, we have to assign letters for the participating team. And next, we have to assign the byes and pair the remaining teams. Okay. Since as we solved a while ago, we need to have 5 games. So here is the correct layout of our 5 games in 6 teams in single elimination. In double elimination, there will be 2 brackets of matches, one for winners of the game and other for the losers. Everyone will start in the winners bracket. The individual or team who loses the game will move to the losers bracket, where all the losers will compete with one another to get the chance of playing in the final or championship match against the champion in the winners bracket. As a clear explanation, the team needs to lose twice before they will be eliminated in the game. In computing the number of games for double elimination, here is the formula: 2n minus 1. Okay, of course, G is the number of games, N is the number of entries or the number of teams, minus 1. And the one, color red one, that is if we have to beat twice ang winner for the last game. Okay, let's write the 4 teams. Now let's proceed in writing the game 1 and game 2. And we are going to separate the loser bracket. Okay, for game 1, of course, we have loser 1 also. And the number of game, number of loser. Game 2, loser 2. Okay, next. In that line, we're going to write the number of the winner. Okay, winner 1, winner 2. Okay, let's match. Loser 1 and loser 2 will have game number 3. Okay, so for game 3, we have also winner 3. And the loser 3 on our game 3 will be automatically out of the competition. So we have to proceed to the next game. That is your game number 4. Okay, so game 3, game 4. Okay, now after your game 4, of course, we are going to get the loser of that game number 4. Okay, you have to write your loser 4. Okay, you have to match the loser 4 to the winner 3 at the losers bracket. That is already a game number 5. Now we have our winner 5 coming from game 5, but the loser from game number 5 will be automatically out of the competition. So the winner 4, we have to write here winner 4, and that will be matched to the winner, okay, winner number 5, okay, and that is game 6. So we have 6 games and we have a winner. But then if the winner of that game already lost, okay, but the other team doesn't lose, it means they have to be beaten twice, okay, they need to have twice to beat. That's why we need to apply this additional game number. So we need to have another game in order to determine the winner for the last round or our last game for this competition, okay? One method of arranging a double elimination tournament is to break the competitors into 2 sets of brackets, the winner's bracket and loser's bracket. For a round robin, this is a type of tournament competition in which participants will compete with each other all throughout the game. The official will tally all the score in each game and rank from the highest score to the lowest. In case there is a tie, both teams will check the status during their match. Okay, in getting the number of rounds, okay, we have to use the formula n minus 1, okay, and for that is for even numbers. But in getting the number of matches, we are going to use this formula. Let's try solving using 6 teams. For the number of rounds, we have 6 minus 1, that is 5. Okay, n minus 1 is the formula. Now, in solving the matches, okay, we are going to have 6, okay, 6 minus 1 over 2. Okay, we get 15 total number of matches. Okay, so we have to write the number of rounds. Round 1, round 2, round 3, 4, and round 5. The very first team that is constant, we have number 1 in every matches. Okay, take note of that. 1, 1, 1, and 1. Okay, so in the very first round, we have to, okay, in this first round, we have to arrange them correctly, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, as you can see. Now, in the round 2, we have to move that 6, okay, under that constant 1 number, okay, 6, and move the 3, 4, and 5. As you can see, okay, the movement of our rounds, okay. Okay, now we are going to proceed to round 3. Okay, again, we are going to move number 5, right? As you can see, that one, we are going to move that under number 1. Okay, 5 and 6 also move. Okay, number 2, we have to move that at the other part. Okay, 6 versus 2. Okay, 5 versus 3, 1 versus 4. That will be the followed for our next round. Move number 4 below number 1. Okay, 4, 5. Next, 6, 2, and 3. The same way with round number 5, we are going to move 3 under number 1. Okay, move that 3. Next, we have to move number 4. Okay, number 5, number 6, and number 2. Okay, now let's count the number of matches. Let's check if we have a correct number of matches. We need to have 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15 matches. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you learned something about our topic today. God bless. Thank you so much for listening. See you again on my next video.